Non-verbal reasoning, transparency, paper folding, and hole punching. A transparent sheet with a specific pattern is given. You must find the pattern or figure out what would be formed if the transparent sheet is folded along the dotted line. Or, a piece of paper is folded in a certain way and then holes are punched into the paper. The paper is then unfolded and you must identify what the paper will look like after unfolding it. The quickest way is to use symmetry and rotation. Everything should reflect from side to side and from top to bottom. You can even draw another quarter in reflection to help. Go through C-snaps and put an X if something doesn't apply. The best way to solve non-verbal reasoning is to carefully eliminate or cross out choices as you go to narrow your answers down. Are there any changes in color or shading? No. Are there any changes in shape? No, we have a hexagon and circles. Are there any changes in number? We have one hexagon and 3 triangles in each quarter. Are there any changes in the angle? No, they're all straight sides. Are there any changes in position? No. Are there any changes in size? No. A. No, it's not reflected either side by side or top to bottom, or it's not symmetrical as a whole. B. No, it's not reflected top to bottom. C. No, it's symmetrical but not reflected properly side by side or top to bottom. D. Yes, it's reflected side by side and top to bottom.